Hey, hi guys. So I hope all you are doing well. So today we are talking about operators in JavaScript. Okay. So before that we are talking about JavaScript introduction. So today we are. This is the second video. So we are talking about operators. So in JavaScript have operators, a lot of operators over here, like many type of operators. So in JavaScript basically operators like arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, and string operator, logical operator, bitwise, ternary, and type operators. This is the all type of operators. Okay. So but today we are talking about the arithmetic operators. So in arithmetic operators have their like own operator. Okay. So here like arithmetic operators, like we can uh, do that with the mathematical things. Okay. So like addition, like if I write here like addition and division and uh, multiplication and also like for multiplication we are use the asterisk, and like first is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. This is the normal like we are using mathematical purpose. Okay. So and also I have there like if I want to square. Okay. So we are use the in JavaScript like exponential. Okay. So double streak it is. Okay. And also have the modulus operator for you for using like a percent. Okay. And also have their increment operator and decrement operator. Okay. So going forward we are talking about how to use that. Okay. So first addition and multiplication and subtraction, and also we are talking about division. All you are know like how to use that. So uh, I am also showing that how to use in JavaScript. Okay. So if I like we are already know how to define a variable and with the laid where const. Okay. So here we are use that for using the operators. Okay. So if I using the late a equal to 10, and then if I use the uh, another variable defined like b equal to 20. Okay. So if I console log, if I want to log there any of the text or any value, we are writing for consoling. Okay. Console.log. Okay. So console.log. So for we are now first we are using the addition operator. Okay. So for that if I want to add there two variable values. Okay. So for that a this is the plus addition operator and then b. Okay. So if I console there node index.js. Okay. So it will add there 10 and 20. Okay. So 30. And if I put the instead of addition, if I put the division, sorry, like subtraction, it will show -10 because of b is the max value. So that is why this -10. Okay. and and this is the multiplication. For multiplication we are use the asterisk. So yeah. And for division we are use the forward slash, and then yeah, you can see the output. Okay. So and now we are going to like a exponential double streak, it's called in JavaScript exponential. Okay. So these operator do like this, like if I want to square any of the number, like here if I mm, write an example like if I want to, I have another variable like x equal to 2. Okay. So if I want to square this value, okay, so I can do that like 2 2, okay. For that we can square this value, okay. So here if I see the output, yeah, 4. So we can do that like a exponential, we can power of this, like if I have this like value is 5, okay. So like if I x, so if value is 5, it will output, it will give the output 5 square, okay. Okay, yeah, 25. We can also we can power can change like 3 4 like that, okay. This is the exponents, the power we can any of the value we can output, we give the power, okay, power of the any of the value, okay. And then next operator is like modulo operator, okay. So modulo operator, we are whenever in mathematical things we are when I divided any of the value, okay, that's have the two things, one have the result and one have the remainder operation, okay. So here in JavaScript we are used for reminding things, we are use the modulo operator, okay. So if I give the example like okay, or log, and if I use the modulo operator, okay. So I have that 3 and divided in modulo operator, modulo 2, okay. So here if I give the result, okay, 2 1 is like a, if I divided, if I show the one thing, if I 3 divided by 2, it will show the decimal value 1.5, okay. So if I want to see the, this is the whatever the remind things I want to uh, take the output, okay. So so for that we are use the modulo operator, okay. So for so if I see the output, this is the one, okay. So this is the reminder, okay. So it will always show the reminder, okay. So that's why we are use the modulo operator, okay. So last two things like increment and decrement operators are like to, for increment we are use the increment operator, for use the sign is double plus, okay. So increment means like if I want to I have the one variable like age 10, okay. So if I use like increment operator, it will increase by 1, okay. So let me show you like uh, okay. So a value is 10, okay. So if I use this increment operator, okay, is double plus, okay. So for that, if I show you the result, so it will yeah. So here is like one things have like happened like it will like post increment, okay. So it's called the post increment, like here is a value is 10, okay. So its console log are printing the a value, okay. So first it will take the a value and then it will increment, okay. So if I write again console log for so the output a value, now you can see the 11, okay. So increment operator doing like this, if I use the increment, if I use the increment operator, so it will increase by 1, okay. So here we are using the two increment operator 2 plus, okay. So console log the taking the a value first, okay. So that's why we are output is 10. But if and going forward there have the 2 plus, so it will increase by 1 in the post. Okay, so that's why if I again if I print this value of a, it will increase, already increase by 1, so that's why it will show the 11. Okay, so here, and also use the, this is called the post increment, and here we can use the pre increment. So here we cannot uh, could not give the output like 10. Okay, it will always like show the um, increment value. Okay, so this is the 11. Okay, so and also use the decrement operator like this. If I use, okay, so it will show the 10. Okay, because of a is taking first, and all, and then the a is decrement. Okay, so if I again, if I use the show the output of a, so it will show the 9. Okay, so this is the things like we here is also pre increment, pre decrement and post decrement. This is called the post decrement. And if I use the mm, instead of post, if I use the pre decrement. Okay, so sorry, so it will show 9 because of pre decrement, and then it will print the a value. Okay, so today's video we are so the like arithmetic operators, and going forward we are see the all the operators in the JavaScript. Okay, so that's the things, like here is the addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division, and here is the this called the exponential and modulo operator, decrement and increment operator. This is the things that arithmetic operators have there. And yeah, that's all about it. So thank you very much.